Hey y'all, welcome back to the set. I appreciate you stopping in. A lot of people say, Hussey, do you have any desserts that you're doing with Blackstone? Well, I really don't have a whole lot, but today is your day. I'm gonna do some apple delights on the Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries, y'all. You will not wanna miss it. That's some good groceries. Apple Delights. What in the heck is Apple Delights? I'm glad you asked. I'm going to show you. We're going to make a cream filling for our Apple Delights first. All right, to our mixer, we're going to add a package of Dream Whip and half a cup of milk. And we're going to put this on a medium speed on our mixer, and we're going to mix this until it's thickened. Directions say stiff. I'm going to say similar to almost like a pudding. All right, after your Dream Whip is done, now we add a few other goodies. We're going to add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 block of softened cream cheese. Ooh, that's going to be good right there. And we're going to add a dash of vanilla. Now we're going to mix this together until smooth. Took about a minute to do that. Now let's see what we got. Ooh, yeah. That's going to make it nice. All right, I'm gonna go put this in the fridge right quick, and then we're gonna come get our apples ready. All right, guys, we got our creamy mixture. We got it ready. We got it in the refrigerator. It's chilling out. It's getting ready. Now, let's get some apples ready. I got some Honeycrisp apples that we're just gonna slice up here. We want just some circles, cut fairly thin, not real thick. There we go. Look at that. We're gonna do 2 apples. Now, you're probably asking, Hussey, how are you gonna get those middles out? Glad you asked. Just gonna take this little quarter right here. Actually, some of them are okay. Like that one. We're gonna put these in our bowl. Once you got your apples cut up into little circles, let's take a little bit of lemon juice, pour that over there. That way, one thing, they won't oxidize. And let's give these a toss. After we add lemon juice, we're gonna add some brown sugar. And we're gonna add some of this, this is a dessert shake that I use. Love this stuff. Got all kinds of cinnamons, got some honey powder. It's good stuff. Make sure everybody's got a piece. All right, we're gonna move our apples right here. And the last thing, we're gonna do some puff pastry. That's gonna be our vessel. Just some refrigerated puff pastry. What makes it nice is that it's already rolled out and already on parchment paper for you. And so we just took our handy dandy little cutter, cut these circles out. And this is gonna be where we're gonna put our cream on, and we're gonna put our apple on it. So let's get on over to the griddle. Let's get these things going, all right, y'all? All right, we're gonna get our apples down here, guys. And we're going to put them on the griddle. We got it on a low heat, and we're going to let these go for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're kind of softened on that one side. Now over here on our left side, your right side, we're going to get our puff pastry down, and we're going to start off with a little bit of butter. I got this side a little bit lower than this side. All right, now we're going to get our puff pastry circles. We're going to get those down on the griddle, and we're going to let those go until they've puffed up on this one side. We're going to flip it and cook it on the other side. All right, after about 2 to 3 minutes, these apples, they are ready to flip. Ooh, look at that. That's what you want, y'all. All right, y'all, it's been about 4 to 5 minutes. Our puff pastries, they are done. Look how golden brown those are. Our apples, they're done too. We're gonna get these off of the griddle, and we're gonna head over to the cutting board now. All right, now everything is done, ready to be assembled, y'all. I went and got the cream mixture out of the refrigerator. Now, I was gonna put this into a baggie and pipe this in on here, but my baggies are the ones that are able to stand up on their own, and it just don't work very well. So I'm just gonna spoon some of this cream mixture just onto our puff pastry mixture. Who needs a piping bag? Look at that, Hussey's got a steady hand. I feel like that could be a country song. Hussey's got a steady hand. There's all of our cream. Now we're gonna take one. Woo, those are hot. Good night. This one right here is just gonna have 2. Just like that. Woo! Ooh-wee, there we go. All right, we're not done yet. We're just gonna dust these with a little bit of this dessert shake. All right, guys, our apple delights. I can't wait to sink my teeth into these bad boys. Mmm. That puff pastry is so dang good. Our cream mixture that we made is so dang good. And those apples, nice, sweet, tart. Mmm. Perfectly cooked. You got to do this, like today. Go out and get it right now. Guarantee you'll love it. Y'all, that's all I got for you today. Hey, I appreciate you stopping by. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome videos just like this. Also, griddlenation.com. You'll find a lot of inspiration over there too. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.